Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to all my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Kumkani. Wala Sibo. Mamela Sibo out. Yes. Mamela Sibo out. As a Kosi fan, abonzo analyze ibhola diyeke ezinye izinto. Okokuqala uNabi as a coach confused. Ngizibuzile before kuqala igame anibona if iline up ukuthi why ezodlala ngama left back ayi2 uDihlokwe noCross. Asibuza ukuthi udefenda njani ekhaya instead of usidlala ibhola emnandi because ibirthday yeChiefs kufanele se entertain ama fans yabo. Okwesibini wenza ama substitute ayi2 ngefirst half which it was a clever move for yena because uyibona iflop yakhe yabo. Yes. Enye into enizoyithetha uNabi une favoritism yabo over uDuba yabo. uDuba is a young star. Yes. As much as usamkelwe a young star, yes. As much as uVilakazi a young star, yes. But abanikwe ichance elinganayo yabo. Yes. And angeke ublame ukuthi uVilakazi wayengabonakali. It's because enough chance yokudlala kanayo yabo. If ever uNabi angabelieve kuwe wonke ama player, yes namhlanje I player believe kuye uDuba which is iyenzile umsebenzi. Yes. But I feel like if ever anganika chance abo Vilakazi as much as nika abo Duba, team izoba right. Yes, we know ukuthi asinayo equality eningi ku Chiefs. Yes. If ever angazama ukuhlanganisa team ayenze be equality singaba mnandi yabo. Otherwise as pay indlela enibone ngayo mina. Ikhosi aliphela umoya, ikhosi noba lingadliwa noba lingathini uNabi as much as uNabi enama flop wakhe singamakhosi siyamthanda sizomsupporta. Man of the match. Man of the match nguBlom out yama. If ever I have to ukuthi ndimrate out of 10 u9 9 out of 10 9 out of 10 out yama. Ipenalty dliwe straight.